Hello, this is Dan Alford with ARC Specialties. Today we're here to celebrate the commissioning of our 23rd sand screen machine. This is called the ARC11S. It's a resistance welding machine that creates sand screens for both the oil sands and for the oil fields. I'm going to do this one by the numbers. We've been building these machines for 20 years. We have them in 5 countries. We're making 100 welds per second, and we're able to hold plus or minus 1/1000th of an inch accuracy. ARC Specialties is a custom machine builder. I always tell people out of every 10 ideas we come up with, 6 of them work, but only 2 of them sell. But even out of those 2 that sell, frequently those are just one-off machines. So that's why I'm delighted that we're shipping our 23rd sand screen machine today. One of the things we pride ourselves on at ARC Specialties is continuity, and this is a perfect example. When we hired John Martin as an application engineer 20 years ago, the very first machine that he built for ARC Specialties was a sand screen machine. What you're seeing here is the product of 20 years of development by the same engineer. John has really perfected these machines. He's able to do things which we never could have done 20 years ago. And in the process, John Martin earned the position of Vice President of Operations at ARC Specialties. At ARC Specialties, we thrive on problems. Send us yours.